everybody, I'm Tiff from Griffey, and today I'm going to talk about my STEAM Fair project. My STEAM Fair project's name is Which Ice is the Strongest? I like mixing things with water, and I was curious which ice is the strongest. So I came up with this project. I mixed flour with water, milk by itself, and I mixed sugar with water, salt with water, soap with water, and tea by itself. And when I freeze the ice, some of the ice was not freezed. For example, salt. So I came up with the melting test. For the melting test, I set a timer for 55 minutes to check which ice is the strongest. And for falling test, I dropped ice for 1 meter to see which was the strongest. And my hypothesis for the falling test that soap will be the strongest, because when you wash hands, the soap makes the water thicker. And the weakest will be milk, because milk is not mixed with anything. The strongest for the melting test would be salt, because salt sucks in the water and keeps it. And the weakest will be milk ice, because ice cream is made out of milk, and ice cream melts really fast. But both of my hypotheses was wrong. Actually, flour is the winner for both tests, and salt is the loser for both tests. It's really strange. And later I found out that salt melts ice. In most countries, for example, my country, Belarus, they put salt on the ice roads to melt the ice so the cars can drive safely. So this is my experiment. Thank you for watching.